Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery. Today's 5-Minute Friday is an absolutely fantastic one, and it's one you're going to use time and time again, no pun intended. So this is one of our herb planters. So I've got in the front here, I've got thyme, I've got mint, and I've got sage. So the reason we use these three in the planter is after researching, after quizzing people, these are the most used and most useful herbs to have on your windowsill or on your patio. Plus they're fairly easy to look after and they're perennial, so they come back every year. So a really good value planter, and it's nice and easy to plant it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill this container with a bit of compost. I'm going to fill it about that deep, leaving that much over, just in the base, a good quality multi-purpose compost. And drainage, the majority, I'm trying to think if there's any exceptions, but pretty much every single herb wants a nice well-drained compost. They just like those sort of environments, and quite a lot of them are almost semi-alpine type plants, so they grow in well-drained soil naturally. So what I'm going to do is, you'll notice we put the sage and the mint at the back with the thyme at the front, because it has sort of a sort of trailing habit to it. So they're all in pots, nice, well established. So what I do is squeeze the pot. This just moves the roots away from the base of the pot, and we just take it out. And then I'm just going to place the mint at the back there and repeat that for the sage, just like that. And then the same for the thyme, like so. It looks pretty good already, and when it starts to establish, you start picking it, it'll bush out more and you'll get more leaves, and it basically keeps on going, and you keep on picking it and keep on using it. So all I need to do now is top up the gaps in the compost. You will get some on the leaves, it's not going to harm the plant at all. I've got a nice lot of moisture in this compost already, which is good. So we just tuck it in, give it a stamp down. You'll find a few air gaps will come to light. So make sure you just tuck it in nicely. It's probably going to look a little bit scrappy to begin with, but it soon settles down. And it's as simple as that. Okay, that's your planter. You'll be able to use it fairly quickly. These are quite established plants, so you could actually start picking the mint and the thyme and the sage already. If it was me, I'd give it a couple of weeks to settle down, let it root in, let it find its new home, and settle down, and then start picking it. The one I'd probably pick first would be the mint. Stick it in a mint tea or something like that. If you've got any questions at all about this or any of our videos, then get in contact. See you soon.